Dude, I think it like no.
I hear something. See that?
No, where are you going?
Dude, follow it.
I'm after it. Dude, the lighter does not. Oh my god!
Is that a human?
Uh-oh.
Dude, you're taking clothes.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Holy shit! What's good, brothers and sisters? It is here, the long anticipated Sons of the Forest gameplay with your co-host.
Sons of the Forest.
That's what I said, right?
Yeah.
Fuck. Anyways, it is your boy Lems, and I got my co-host here, Bertlen. Bertlen, let him know. Just let him know.
Birdie here. They call me Birdie. I'm ready to play.
Dude, I'm
ready
so...
to just get in there, you know?
Dude, I've been waiting 3 fucking years. I've been waiting at least 2 to 3 years for this shit. Like, at least, bro. They've postponed this shit. They've postponed this shit like 2 to 3 times. And
let's get right into the news.
Oh my god, I just pressed start. Let's get right into the news. Oh, helicopter.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
I see a helicopter, brother. Where are you?
I'm in the loading screen.
Okay, there's a fat ass mountain. There's a forest, and I'm in a helicopter with there's a helicopter next to me. Oh, dude, I got the got Kelvin here. This guy's name is Fisheye.
Oh, dude, I think I'm in it. I'm in it, dude.
You're in, dude. Are you in the helicopter?
I think I'm in, like, there's one next to you. Do you see a helicopter next to you?
Dude, oh shit, there's shit here. Oh, dude, look at this shit. Look at your computer.
Oh.
Weeks missing.
There's a fat mountain here.
Oh god, I wasn't even looking at all this shit. Edward Houghton. Missing for 31 weeks. Other family members. Okay. This fucking... Oh god. Weeks missing, 31. So they're just all been missing for exact 31 weeks. Oh, dude, I think like we're like soldiers or whatever, and fucking we have like coordinates to like where these people are missing, and we're gonna have to go get them. But I think we're about to get fucked up because forest shit. Okay.
Edward Houghton, dude.
Dude.
All 3 of them are missing?
Okay, my helicopter just got fucked up.
Oh, dude, we got
oh,
dude.
Dude, one of the guys just fell. Dude, one of the guys just fell out of the helicopter, and that guy just fell out of the helicopter. I couldn't reach him. I just couldn't do it. Holy shit, dude! If this was me, like, it might be over.
Oh.
Dude, this guy is fucking drowning. Right in front of my face. Holy fuck. There he goes into the abyss. And I can't, my guy is just pounded his fist against the glass. Couldn't fucking, he was just upset. Alright, let's get the fuck out.
Doesn't he have a gun? He just shot through the glass.
I don't know, dude. All I know is I can fucking kick a fucking door open. Helicopter door. Let's get out of here. Dude. Imagine just crashing. Just anything. Like, just anything. Just like like in a moped accident. Like,
oh god.
Awful.
I don't think I've ever been on a plane and like something just happened. Like, you know.
Oh lord, bro. Like right out the gate, bro. What is this? Holy shit. Dude. Oh my god. Is that you over there getting all fucked up? Or is that Kelvin?
Yeah. Probably Kelvin. We're probably watching the same cutscene.
Oh my god. We just got fucking bashed.
Yeah, he bashed me in the face too.
Dude. Oh my god, we're just playing. Okay. Hold up, let me look at Kelvin.
I have an emergency.
Dude, I need to turn my
act.
sensitivity down. Hold the fuck up.
Oh, it's Lems. Oh,
Dude,
me
wait,
too.
wait. Okay, Kelvin. Dude, he is all messed up. Like, He is just. He is messed up, bro. He's literally like squirming around on the ground, like.
Dude, you gotta help him.
I am about to. You got him. You got him.
Yeah, dude, he's fucked up. Oh, his ears are bleeding.
He's probably so fucked up.
Oh, dude, his eardrums must have just exploded.
Oh God. He can't even. Can he even? Is he even looking at that shit? Oh, he is. What is he? Just like a fucking. He's just like brain dead now.
His part of his brain must have just died. Oh, yeah, I just did something.
Add items to map. Open or combine. Oh God. Such a noob.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, how do I open my backpack here?
Oh God. Okay. Walkie-talkie. Oh, dude, utility knife.
Dude, how are you doing all this?
Oh God, I can hear you in game.
Okay.
I mute you,
dude. Graphic.
How do I mute you?
I have no clue, bro.
Dude, there's no way there has to be a way. Are you talking into your walkie-talkie? That's why, dude. Stop. Put that shit down, or I'm taking a swing.
I don't know how.
Dude,
I don't know
look in your
how.
keybinds. Look in your keybinds. Dude,
Okay, well.
Kelvin is already like gathering like materials.
Walkie-talkie. Okay, there we go. Eyes inventory. Did you open the emergency book?
Yeah. I'm just trying to get everything situated here.
How do I just like put away stuff? Like just put it away.
Dude, I'm just starting the game, just like you, really. Switch mode.
Reload is R. Lighter is L. God, these keybinds are. How do I just like open up my pickaxe though? Do I have
Dude,
to
this
open
is
my
gonna be
inventory every
insane. This is
time?
gonna be insane. Okay, dude, this place looks fucking huge. Let's dude, wait, dude, don't just run off. Hold up.
I'm getting wood.
Okay. Dude, you are messing with those birds. Dude, Kelvin is on it. Okay, so, dude, we don't really have an objective here for right now. We're kind of just...
I think we should try to get some food, dude.
Yeah, food,
Where's all the sticks
but like
I
just kind of
grabbed?
just reacting to this shit. Like we're not gonna like kind of do anything too wild. Dude, these look like just like regular berries.
I tried to eat one too, and they look okay.
That's like probably not something you should just like stay in the wild and eat. Oh, these look like regular berries. Just down a berry.
What is?
Oh God, dude, here we go.
Okay, dude, we gotta get like food.
Oh God, am I gonna get bit by a spider? Okay, dude, dude, we only have the axe for now, so we're gonna need to build a spear or something.
Oh, I have like a GPS system.
And if I know anything about the forest, holy
Dude,
shit,
do I have to
our
open my
inventory, oh my God, dude, our
Yeah,
like,
it's fat.
it's fat, dude. You can it's fucking fat. It's fucking fat.
There's a cave over here already.
Wait, dude. wait. Dude, I'm trying to just like make a
No,
spear. Hold up.
we should get food, yeah.
Can I just pick these up? Come on, brother.
Dude, I don't have to open my inventory every time I want to equip something, right?
I know, dude. I'm trying to figure out how to bind shit, dude. There's gotta be a way. There like has to be a way. Oh. How did I do that? Oh, brother. You just gotta hold down your bag button and then it pulls out your bag. Like hold the button and then you can just click what you want.
Wait.
Come
Uh,
Ooh, brother. Oh,
oh.
this guy is fucking. I just fucked with this turtle.
Did you see these dead bodies over here?
I'll come look. One sec. Okay, let me. No.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
I'm eating raw meat right now. That was not like what I wanted. How can I just? Oh god, I just ate raw turtle meat on accident. Okay, that should be. We should be fine, right? Just some raw turtle meat. Okay, let me see these dead bodies you speak of.
It's gonna be a fire. Yeah, look at these guys, bro. Ooh.
Dude, I keep eating raw meat. Like, stop. Dude, like, I just want to put it on the fire. Oh, dude, that's how you did it. God damn it. That's 2 turtle meats down the hatch. Dude, how do I get the fuck out of this?
Gee.
I'm pressing fucking my close button and I'm showing on the screen. Okay. Okay. Let's see you. You got impaled.
Dude, you know who this is?
Dude, you are like completely like holding out your bag. Like so far away from your body. Like look. Look at mine.
It's massive, dude. This is fisheye, dude.
Oh dude, they already did that shit? That was fast.
They fucked him up. Oh, dude, dude, I got scared for a second, dude.
Why?
I was like, who was that, dude?
Oh, that
guy.
shit. Yeah, dude, I saw him. Okay, dude, let's head into the forest, dude.
Why is my dude?
Did you just
My
like?
guy's like,
Yeah, I
he's
know.
like making
Dude,
sounds.
dude it's because you burned meat, dude. That shit's all burned. It looks on my screen as black.
Okay, whatever. Let's go.
I guess burned meat is worse than raw meat. Okay. All right, dude. I'm going into the forest to look for some food. Dude, Kelvin's all. Dude, he's all tired. Dude, what did you tell him to do?
I just told him to get sticks.
Dude, you gotta.
Dude, we should build a shelter. I think that would be the prudent course of action.
How do I fucking?
Oh, dude, it wants me to like put it on the floor and build it. It doesn't.
How do I like?
Away.
Oh. It's so funny. Dude, me and Kelvin are headed into the forest. Dude. We're gonna go see what's new.
He's following us. What's that blue light on him? I guess he'll explain it later.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we can find him or something?
Dude, this place is huge, bro. Like, it's gonna be so big. Oh god, random mushrooms.
Oh,
Dude,
look at
also
this, dude.
water, bro. That's probably one thing we need ASAP. How are we gonna get water?
Is this water drinkable?
Oh, found some rope, dude. And there's two skeletons right here. Okay, I think I'm gonna build a bow, dude. Where's that fucking rope? Here it is.
There gotta be like a way to build like a water filter or something.
Wow. Dude, so like, I wonder like how good his like combat abilities are. Like, if cannibal show up, is he just gonna die?
Yeah, doesn't he die? And
Dude, I can't. Dude, first contact is just gonna be just ridiculous. Oh, dude, like it's just like way more like it's just way more foresty, dude. Like I feel like they're gonna pop out of like nowhere. Like, oh god, I think I heard a deer just now. I don't have arrows, dude. You're gonna have to nail a deer with a spear, with your spear. You're gonna have to just do it, bro.
dude, it's running away.
Holy shit, there's one right there.
What?
There's just one right there. Dude, and also something funky happens when you look at that shit.
I got it.
Oh fuck, oh fuck.
Oh my god, dude, retreat.
Dude, he's...
Dude, you gotta retreat. You gotta just fall
Dude,
back.
I think, it like... No! Dude, he just impaled Kelvin. He just impaled Kelvin, dude.
I'm coming.
Dude, Kelvin like took a
Kelvin running
straight
away.
shot to the face. Dude, I hit it and now it's running away. It just ran off, dude.
God.
It's probably gonna bring friends.
Oh, I
It's gonna
see it,
bring
dude.
friends.
Let's go, dude. Let's leave the area.
Dude, where's Kelvin? We gotta check up on him, dude. He took a
I
straight
tried sprinting, bro.
He took a
was
shot to the face, bro. And there's blood.
Dude, I just saw him like just that, like bucket.
Dude, are you straight, dude? Like, oh my god, he's bloody, dude. Like, dude, like I don't want him to just die off, dude. How do we take care, dude? He's like, he's crazed in the eyes. Oh, dude, one's pulling up.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Dude, dude, there's.
Oh, dude, it's right here, it's right here.
Yeah, dude, it's. God, I see a deer, dude. You gotta nail it. You see it, dude?
Dude,
Also,
where are you?
what do you mean? Where are you?
Dude, this thing is like prowling, bro. It's right there, standing on a rock, dude.
Dude, get that deer. Dude, also,
Where?
I think something
Where?
happens when the cannibals see you or something, like with your vision, with that eyeball, because maybe I don't.
Dude, running away. Oh,
Dude, there's a
God.
cannibal like kind of behind us. Dude.
Just threw my spear.
It's right here. If this is it. Dude, we need to get Kelvin a weapon. Dude, Kelvin is lying down.
Dude, I'm running, bro. I'm running.
I'm fighting it, dude. I'm fucking fighting it.
Oh my god, oh my god.
It's dead, dude. It's dead. It's fucking dead. There's a deer on the left
Okay.
of you, dude. There's a deer. It's coming right. Oh no.
No, dude.
No.
Oh, there's another one.
Hit it, dude.
Oh no, dude.
What was
no.
that, dude? You just like practice swing?
No, dude. I misclicked actually.
How to misclick.
Dude, if I could get this deer, bro. It's like booking it, bro. It's hauling ass.
Yeah, it's out there. Dude, there's another
Oh,
one
there's another
already.
one.
They're already
Dude,
like coming
let's
to
get
play.
closer to the water, dude. This is not good. It's getting dark. Tell Calvin to follow us and let's get out of here.
He is already following us. There's a bird right here.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Dude, it's just flying away.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Dude, I just hear like noises from the cannibals, and all I see is green.
Oh, I hear something.
It's literally right here. It's literally just like dropped down from the tree or something. I swear to God.
Dude, I don't have tape, bro. I don't have tape. I can't.
Dude, there's two. There's three. We gotta go. We gotta go,
No,
dude. We
dude.
gotta go. Dude, they're pulling up, dude. They're pulling up.
I know, dude. I think it's in... Oh, dude. It's... My spear is gone.
Dude, why? Dude, one's chasing. It's kind of looking. Oh my God.
Oh, God.
That was so loud.
Let's go close to the water,
Dude.
dude. This is fucked.
Dude, they're loud. It was. Do you know how? Dude, she's far. Did you see her?
Yeah, she screamed.
Dude,
I'm thirsty, bro.
dude, oh my God, we're gonna die.
I'm gonna try to drink this water.
Okay.
Okay. It seems fine.
Seems.
Yeah, it's not hurting me.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm only gonna do one, and I'm gonna wash the fuck off. Kelvin, are you okay? Like, how do I heal you? Kelvin, take a break. He's like, okay. Wait, not yet, Kelvin. I'm sorry, not yet. We gotta get closer. Also, someone is fucking right over there. Looks like a human.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that, what's her
Dude.
name?
One of the missing girls?
It's the three-legged person.
Oh, it is, dude. What are you doing? Dude, come over here. She's got the mask. See that?
No, where are you going?
Dude, follow her.
I'm after her. Oh, she's fast. Oh my God. I mean, she has 3 legs. She better be. Oh my God, she's booking it, dude. If we're gonna run out of stamina if we keep doing this.
Oh, wait. Don't approach her. Don't approach her.
Dude, yeah, she's not liking us. She's kind of like wanting. Dude, she's out of here, bro. She's out of here. Dude,
Dude, she's gotta have a house, right? She looks like she's in a bathing suit, dude.
I know, dude. I thought it too. Oh my god, dude, we're gonna run out of stamina chasing this fucking girl. Dude, she is fucking out of here. And it's
Dude, she
dark
might
as
leave us
all
somewhere.
hell. Dude, the lighter does not. Oh my god! The lighter
Where's
does
she
not
going?
give
Where?
a
She's
lot
not
of
going
light,
anywhere.
dude. The lighter makes it just spooky as hell.
Oh, dude, it's dark, dude.
She's out of here!
Oh, dude, what are we gonna do now, dude? I don't even have a spear. Oh god, I gotta get my fucking
Dude, what are you doing?
axe equipped. I gotta get this axe equipped.
Dude, oh my god. Okay, let's get this fire going now. Okay.
Dude, he's on fire. Did you see that?
Dude, what is
He's
he-
literally on fire.
He needs to relax. Dude, it's so dark. It's just so dark. Like, they're gonna just come out of
Take
the
a break.
darkness.
Like, chill out, dude.
He's like, alright, I'll chill out.
Like, lie down, dude. Dude, there's 2 of them in front of us. Do you see them?
Where?
There's 3 of them right in front of us.
Okay, you ready? It's go time, dude. It's fucking
No,
go
dude,
time.
they're spreading out, dude. They're spreading out. Yeah, come right.
Wait. Dude, there's one right there. There's one right there. There's one right there.
Oh my god. Dude, you took half my health. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, he got me low, bro. He got me low. I'm gonna pop. I think I need a stim.
Dude, he's attacking Calvin! I got you, buddy. I got
This
you.
is not a stim. This is a fucking flare. I'm such an idiot. Okay.
Dude, come here. Help me with attacking
You're
Calvin.
getting mauled. Why am I crouching? Go.
Oh my god. Calvin is down. Calvin's down.
Dude, they are fucking insane. Where's dude? We need to get Calvin a weapon.
Oh, dude, I just ate its goddamn leg. Are you good?
Dude.
Oh, I have 2 meds left. Oh my god.
Dude. I'm still trying to figure out this combo.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Got him. Dude, I think you hit me.
I'm sorry.
Just
Is friendly fire
slashed
on?
me with your axe, brother. Holy shit, dude. Health is regenning though, dude. Okay, so that's it literally says fire. I just don't fucking didn't read. Med is right. It's just bad. It's just
Yeah, I ate one of its legs.
it's just regular meds right here. Okay. Okay. Oh my god.
So friendly fire is on, I was wondering.
Dude, this shit has like different colors. This is ridiculous.
What are you talking about?
Your like inventory has a like a light, and it has like different colors for the light. Like LEDs.
Oh,
or
it
whatever.
does.
Lost. Okay, dude, I need some fucking arrows so we don't go through that again. Dude, Kelvin is just sitting in the dark, dude.
He's sleeping, let him
He's not, dude. He's up.
let him rest. Hey, dude, tell him to chill out.
I am, dude. He's all bloody, dude. He needs to wash them. He needs a weapon, dude. Oh my god, you are chucking logs.
I know.
I didn't know you had it in you. Fucking Kelvin. Take a fucking break. No, not follow me. Oh god. Okay, hold. Thirsty.
Also, save your game, save your game.
Okay, first save, Sons of the Forest. New save. Okay. You are thirsty. Yes, I am. Let's fucking go. Hungry.
Okay, let me wash up real quick. Food would be really solid. I think a deer would be like just, like, you know,
Yeah.
just.
Dude, I need to get some birds so I can get some arrows and...
Dude, the lady is here. Maybe we need to give her food.
Well, we don't even have food for ourselves yet. Dude, you keep just sprinting off. You just waste all your stamina.
She's blonde. She's a blonde. That's a white lady.
Dude, she just
Dude,
books it.
you know who that is, bro? You know the girl on the laptop? The wife?
The who?
The wife?
From what?
Remember on the laptop the guy, Edward whatever, was missing?
Oh, that's the wife? I didn't... Dude,
I think so, bro. It was a white family. That's a white lady.
I have the eye on me. That thing is just like, oh god. I bet you there's cannibals that they haven't even shown in the trailer too, like mutants and shit. It's just gonna be god awful.
Well, if that's the wife, that means she mutated. She grew a whole leg and arm. Like, imagine just like living in a forest and you grow a leg. Your body just starts growing a leg. You can't stop it.
GPS is so helpful. We can just honestly wander off and go back whenever.
You see that point that's like blinking? Yeah, we should tell this. Oh, he one-shotted.
Holy shit. Holy shit. I wasn't even paying
He
attention. I
one-shotted.
wasn't paying attention. I got you. Let's go, let's go. Dude, this is like a village. You're leading us to a fucking village, Dylan. What's going on?
I'm not doing... Oh, God. Oh, dude, they're testing them here. Dude, can you protect me while I build the bow real quick? Let's do this. Craft this bow.
Oh my god. It just snuck up, dude. It just came out.
Are you dead? Yes.
Dude, they sneak up, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm still building the boat. No!
Dude, good thing the res is fast. Dude, they just come out. Oh, dude, he looks like a person. Dude, oh my god, one hit and I'm done. I want to hit him like this. Why can't I?
Okay. Oh, dude. There's like fingers stuffed in this eye hole in the mouth.
Wait, let's just go to bed soon because it's getting dark and then we'll just get some breakfast in the morning.
Okay.
Oh, and there's some cannibals here too, brother. I drew my bow at them and they're kind of... Dude, I'm running to the hut. I'm running.
Oh, I see them on you.
Oh god. Here they come.
Are
He's
we going to
running
bed?
in.
Or do we gotta fight these guys? Oh, dude. Is that a human?
Uh-oh.
Dude, he's like in clothes. Oh, dude, he has a gold mask
It
on.
looks like a human, bro.
Yeah, it looks like a human.
Does he have a penis?
Yeah,
Oh,
I see
you
a
are
bulge.
spreading open his fucking
I
legs, dude.
know, dude.
You
I'm
are
trying to check.
actually fucking just getting in there. Dude, try get in there for real.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, it looks like a human. He has a gold mask on, dude.
Yeah, dude. This is not a cannibal. At least not this one.
Oh, the lady's pulling up.
I know, dude. Does she want something? She likes our fire,
Maybe.
dude. Maybe she likes our house. Dude, put your weapons away. How do you do this? Wait, she's approaching us, dude. She's straight up approaching us. And now she's dancing for us. Ooh. Wait, let me join. Don't step in the fire. Oh, no. It's
Is she
okay.
warming up to us?
No, come. No, it's okay. Come. No, she was coming, but then I kind of stepped too close. Dude, my sleep fucking levels are critical. Let's go.
You don't want to stay a little. You don't want to stay up a
It's
little
blinking.
longer.
It's blinking red.
Okay, let's go. Dude, is there no berries on purpose? I'm eating this mushroom. Let's see what happens. Oh god.
Dude, that's sketch.
Oh, I'm throwing up. like he gagged.
Dude, like I can't even imagine how we're gonna get these guns and shit, dude. It's just gonna like.
Yeah.
The place is so massive.
Yeah, I think the red mushroom is no good.
Yeah.
Yeah. It made my
Why?
guy, like, it made him gag.
Yeah, that can't be good for your stomach.
It can't. I thought he was gonna vomit. It's coming, bro.
It's down. Oh, it's not. How many arrows is this thing gonna take? Oh my god! Oh my god! 2 swings and I'm down! Dude, it can take shots.
I'm like hitting him, dude. Oh my god, he's down.
Hit him in the fucking head, oh my god.
Oh.
Res me, it's super fast. Jesus Christ, dude, let me get some of these arrows. No way.
You know what these are, bro? You know what these are? These are the things they use to, look, it just falls over. Look at that. These are the things they use to map out the, pipes underground.
So what
There's
is
a
it?
golf club car.
Oh, dude, we can dig right here.
Oh, we need a shovel. You want to go to this purple marker?
Yeah, then we can hit up that cave.
Yeah, can we just cook food real quick? Or
Yeah, let's find a deer first, bro. What the fuck?
you heard it.
Yeah, and I don't see it. That's the problem. I hear it and don't see it. That's just not the combination you don't. That's not the combination you want in anything.
Oh, there is an upside to that.
Imagine like you just hear like an absolute like grizzly just like growl in the forest like a tiger or something, but you just can't see it.
I think the worst part of that is it doesn't see you. God.
Someone is strapped up.
Hit it. Oh, it's begging for mercy.
Someone is strapped up, dude. Look.
Oh, dude, they eat their own people.
Well, they're cannibals. Wait, no, dude. Wait, you know what I think this is, dude? Oh, I think. Oh, nice, dude. I think this is a different. Wait. Don't kill this one that's strapped up. I think, dude, I think there's like different kinds of cannibals. So like, this is like a different like race or whatever cannibal, and they're like fucking with it. That's what I think it is.
Oh.
And
yeah,
this one looks not human, whatever the fuck this is. It is fucked up.
I'm gonna kill it.
Take it down.
Bruh.
Dude, come on. Point blank. There you go. Fucking fucked it up so bad. Okay, let's see what we got here. God, I was gonna say, these people are alive and just gonna stand up.
Yeah, dude, they're messing with them. Dude, look at all these humans right here. Dude, look at this. You seen this? Where their skulls are bashed in with rocks.
Oh.
Okay, dude, I'm gonna build a fire. I'm gonna cook. I'm starving. I can't take it anymore.
Dude, the cloth are like way more like... Remember the cloth in the other game? It was just some red little thing that just was not... didn't move. These things are like blowing in the wind.
Yeah.
There's another cannibal. He just... Dude, a cannibal... Dude, I just saw a cannibal.
Oh
like,
my god, I'm on fire. I'm on fire and I'm a second catch. Is there water nearby? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm
what are
gonna
you
die.
doing jumping off this ledge like a maniac? Dude,
Okay, dude.
I just saw a cannibal like 50... Oh, he's coming back.
50 odd yards. 50 odd yards.
He's about to charge
Okay.
me.
I gotta eat. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Can't fucking hurt him.
Nice. Oh dude. As I'm getting closer, it's like beeping faster. Are you there?
What the hell? It's up there. Oh. It's this guy.
Oh god. Oh dude, we have to go up there and like cut him down. Well, considering that I'm like super tired, we should build a shelter and sleep for a little.
Dude, come this way. Dude, look how big it is. Like, look at this, just trees as far as the eye can see. Oh, I think this guy like killed himself or something. There's a cannibal down there.
Oh god. Dude, there's a... Oh, it gives you a flashlight, dude.
You cut him down.
Yeah. Dude, he gave me like a purple thing.
I'm gonna die if I jump down there.
Oh, it's a GPS locator, dude. The purple dots are GPS locators.
Fucking cannibal right there. I just ran past it.
Dude, there's more. There's more purple dots. There's 2 more. Do you think he killed
Oh
himself?
no.
Oh my god, it's right here.
Dude, Kelvin just took a shot. No, Kelvin's down. You gotta res him.
Oh, dude. Oh god. Did you see how it lunged at me?
Dude, Kelvin went down. I had to res him. And now he has to take a break. Look at him. He's in agony.
Let's build shelter and just go to bed real quick. Sleep a little.
We should just build it in front of the cave.
Oh god.
And there's water by
Oh,
the cave.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Onward, brother.
Just never let a man rest.
Dude,
Let a man take
you
a
wouldn't
break.
have to take as many breaks if you wouldn't just be sprinting all fucking day. A fucking 2 deer. If I can hit the shot from this far.
Where? Where are the deers?
Nah, dude, they just ran off. Dude, because a cannibal ran by them, dude. There's just cannibals right here. Oh my god. Shoot him out of the tree. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, dude, look at the rest of the helicopter. Oh, I just got a slingshot. What's going on? Get him.
He's down. Dude, they're spearing them.
That's what I mean. There's fucking deer right here. I missed. Fuck it. Oh, right here. Oh!
Oh, dude, we should
Yes,
shoot that at the same
dude.
time.
Yes, dude. Okay, nice, dude. Here we go.
That was pretty solid, dude. I thought I was gonna have to chase after that.
It fucking just like died right in front of us. Dude, how'd you build that spear without the knife?
I have the knife. You need tape. You don't have the knife?
No, like, oh, it just cuts it. I thought it uses the knife to fucking.
Yeah, no, it sharpens it.
Okay, I don't want to eat this, dude. I just want to fucking.
I don't want to eat it too, but it doesn't.
I think I already grabbed it. Okay.
Okay, we should be really
Yeah,
solid,
we
though.
should be. Kelvin's pointing at something.
What is he pointing at?
What, dude? I don't know. I'm telling you, he's pointing at something. And I think it's this bitch right here.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Holy shit, dude! Literally
See it?
jump. Oh my god, do I see it? It just I turned to
Oh
the
my
left
God,
and
I
it was
don't-
jumping into the air at me.
It lunged at you?
Yes, like I just turned to the left and it just lunged at me. Dude, it's gonna attack Kelvin.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Got him.
I'm out of arrows, can you believe it?
Yeah, no, I ran out too. That's why I'm killing these birds.
Hi, how are
Oh
you?
my god, dude. Dude, it's just right here. It's just right here.
Where?
It's just
Oh.
as I'm trying to talk to Kelvin, dude.
Bogey down.
Like as I'm trying to talk to him, this just jumps into the fucking god. Alright. Let's go, dude. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, did you hear that?
Wait, I can't get in. I'm waiting for you to go.
Did you hear that? Oh.
Yeah. I got it. Instantly gets dark. Instantly. Okay.
Okay,
Gotta be
wait.
wait. There's gotta be a torch here.
Yeah, cloth. Yeah, it's just cloth. Sticking a cloth. Okay, dude, I'll hold the fire. You hold like the bow or something.
Okay, I got the bow. Okay, here we go, dude. All or nothing.
Like an air canister, dude. Are we not supposed to go up there?
I don't know. This is literally it? No way. Can we climb on this rope right here? Oh, we need something. What is this?
Yeah.
God damn it, dude.
Okay, let's save.
Yeah, dude, let's save. Dude, it's been a great start, dude. Honestly, it's been a great start. Dude, we haven't even done anything. Like, we gotta still, like... We haven't even, like, begun to, like, build anything or, like, do anything really yet. Dude, I just saved without getting mauled. Oh, my God.
I got him.
Oh, my God. Okay, well. That has been episode 1 to the Sons of the Forest series, dude. Me and Bertlen, we are going to absolutely conquer this shit, dude. And fucking Kelvin. I'm gonna call that nigga fucking Bertlen more than I even gonna call Bertlen. Dude. Yeah, dude, it's fucking insane, dude. We haven't even started. This is only the beginning. I'm planning on making, like, I'm just planning on uploading just video after video with Bertlen. Eventually, I'm probably gonna start my own solo series. I'm probably gonna just do hella different shit. Oh, yeah. Kelvin is just... Yeah, dude. Peace, nigga.